Hi everyone, it's Vladimir Gortsev. In this video I will show you in practice how you can make money using the new strategy. Let me remind you that all my time-tested strategies are fully described and analyzed in the free course. You will find the link to it in the description of this video. The lessons are sent automatically every 24 hours. These lessons contain a complete analysis of my strategies with a demonstration of their use, as well as self-study tasks. This course is completely free of charge and it does not require any compulsory registration. You can take this material, study it, and test it on demo accounts of various platforms. In this video, I traded using one of my accounts, on Quotex. The link to this broker is in the description. It is a very decent trading broker, I recommend it. The live video is going to be sped up, so that you would not have to wait very long for developments of every trade. Enjoy the video. Nearly for all the news I use currency pairs EURIST and PUST. It depends on the announcements from which country I have to work with. For the first announcement in this video, I chose the EURIST currency pair, and then I watched what was happening on the chart for 1 minute. Volatility increased significantly, but the price could not decide which direction to take. We see on the chart how the price rises sharply, and then quickly falls. In a while, the minute candle closes, its body is not very large. In this situation, entering the market does not make sense, so I stand by for the next minute. Then the price accelerates downwards. We see the price impulse. As soon as the candlestick closes, I make a trade using a 2-minute time frame in the uptrend direction, as the impulse was directed downwards. The upward reversal of the price turned out to be very strong. The trade is closed with a profit. Another news to which the market reacts rather quickly. At first, the price moves up fast, knocking down the orders of many people in the foreign exchange market, but then it turns around and plunges, forming a price impulse on the chart. When the candle closes, I will enter into a call option for 2 minutes, since the impulse candle turned out to be long. As the momentum continues and the first trade closes with a loss, I immediately enter into the second call option for 2 minutes. The price of the second option is no longer $20, but $60. Let me remind you that all the details about how many trades in a series I use, how I change their expiration within a series of trades, are available in my free course. You will find a link to it in the description. Now it is clear that the second trade will close with a profit. Let's see how it happens. Here I turned on the recording a bit late, so we can already see on the screen how the news has affected the market. Here the price attempted both to decrease and to grow. As a result, the market price rushes down, forms a very good, fast momentum on the screen, and I entered into a call option, as usual, for 2 minutes. The market starts growing almost immediately. The time of the transaction runs out, and we see the option closing. Here, I received profit from yet another news announcement. This time, the market price of the asset began to rise very quickly when the news was released. As usual, I set the expiration to 2 minutes. According to the news strategy, I watch charts only with a 1-minute time frame. The candlestick closes with a long body in a slight upper shadow, so I enter into a put option for 2 minutes. Let's see what will happen on the price chart. It all went quite smoothly, the price reversal was strong, and the trade closes with a plus. Finally, I want to show you the reaction of the market to the news, which did not allow me to enter the market. Not all news contributes to the appearance of a quick price impulse on the price chart of an asset. In fact, this is not a problem, because we do not try to guess which direction the price will take, and we do nothing until a suitable impulse appears on the screen. This time the beginning was dynamic, the price spiked upwards and downwards. As a result, the first candlestick closed with a medium-sized body, so I did not enter here. The second candlestick, as we will see in a moment, will also close with a small body, although sometimes the price managed to drop quite significantly again. The third candle will have an even smaller body than the previous two ones. Now we will see how the third candle closes, and after that, I decide to leave this news alone. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I do my best to share the relevant information useful for traders. If you have not yet joined my free trading course for beginners, then it's time to start. The link to the course is in the description. I wish you successful trades. See you.